do that? You better wipe your mouth off. Ew. Yeah.
Starting at $12,985 with $1,500 cash back from your phone plus Ford.
A preview of this weekend's RV show in New York tonight on News 8 at 11.
We now
Hey.
continue with A Touch of Evil.
Oh.
He was the #2 cop in town. And now
Uh-oh.
he's in the very case he was trying to solve.
Gas monsters
The
here.
disappearance of Kelly Wilson.
Sergeant James Brown is sitting in a jail cell.
What do you
I
think
guess I'm
about
pretty
this?
confused. Real hurt.
Huh?
She'll eat her hands.
Just been married.
What are you doing?
Being a hand bone.
Died. Everything that I've ever worked for is gone.
Brown had been charged with capital murder because a member of the alleged satanic
What?
cult in a small
Right there, I'm going to you about it.
No.
His first job was
Ew.
to get Sergeant Brown sprung from jail while he awaited trial. The judge agreed to release not the
Tickler or
but
something.
Sergeant Brown and his new wife, Penny, had planned.
Stress and everything.
She's in there.
What's this fussy?
Did you have a paycheck? No. Okay. Couldn't go back and court. Couldn't go back to court. Suspended without any other job.
Just trying hard not to laugh, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Have you saved it? What money we did?
We did half fuss, half laugh, half cried.
Had a good idea how he'd ended up in
We
jail,
did that.
but he couldn't get anyone in authority to hear him out. For what it was worth, Brown still had supporters in Kelly's father and stepmom over in Louisiana.
No way.
Yeah, she.
You believed it.
She was just as convinced that Sergeant Brown was guilty as charged. A member of the satanic cult that raped, tortured, and murdered her little girl.
Mom, stop it. You're bugging me.
I have no body. I still have no body. There's no nothing.
And something rushed in to fill the void. Vigilante justice. People, including Kelly's mother, began taking the law into their own hands.
We won't show that part. It was open when we got it.
With Sergeant Brown no longer on the case, the Kelly Wilson investigation spiraled out of control. Kathy and a local TV news crew actually broke into one of the Kerr family homes to have a look around.
Where's the file?
It wasn't the only amateur detective in
Thanks.
town. A group calling itself the Kelly Wilson Committee began conducting videotaped interrogations.
Said, why don't I turn the camera on you?
Oh!
Kelly Wilson
Help.
and the satanic cult grew into
Help.
complex conspiracy theory.
Hey, I thought I was a
with
star.
Gilmer as the hub of all sorts of evildoing. Meanwhile, the chief, being led by Special Prosecutor Scott Lightfoot, was spoon-feeding details of the satanic cult to the media, which couldn't get enough of the sensational story.
We're looking for the kind of things that you look for
I
whenever
wonder what that is, hot cheeks. I
Hmm?
wonder what that is, hot cheeks.
Maybe she don't feel
Who
good.
exactly were these crusaders who'd come to save Gilmer?
She's all
The
flushed.
team, Scott Lightfoot, the bench-appointed special prosecutor, had had only limited experience doing criminal work as an assistant county attorney 10 years earlier in his career. Ann Gore,
Alright, Melissa's crabby.
Child Protective Services,
Well, it is
Okay,
9:30, you
who
know.
detected hints of satanic activity, was on her first major case. Debbie Minshew, the other state social worker, was the more experienced senior. Steve